Video is being recorded for the sake of the purpose where did I done the projects to not to forget in the future. And this video is about that in Quizlex company where they have been done the projects regarding the MNCs, the Netflix and Paramount, the multi-billion dollar bidding it's an where the competition has been happened among those two companies for the sake of the bidding and to get the content of the Warner Brothers, and they have been competed for this. And like there are the HBO Max and many other streaming platforms, and based upon that, it went to the Department of Justice in USA, and where they have been given the client which we have been worked for is then Skadden, and our project name is Casablanca. The Skadden works for the Skadden is a firm where it is our client, which is given the project to the Quizlex. Okay, and they have been given the relevant things like the which are the responsive to the content or the context, and which are the non-responsive to the context, and which are highly relevant and highly sensitive, highly confidential. And even there is an privlog content. Privlog is an attorney client discussions. Attorney client discussions, it can be considered as the privlog. It is a privlog content and it is mostly highly privileged. If there are any discussions have been happened among the attorney and the client, it is said to be as the privlog content. And it is been, and even there is an color code in this sense. Red is used for the privlog matter and green color is being mostly used for the responsive one, and yellow it mostly used for the DGI, Directive General of Investigation. These color combinations are mainly used for this being project. And responsive, non-responsive, and here this is the NR and NP, non-responsive and non-privileged. And coming to the privlog content, and these are the, and even coming to this, if it is in the any privlog content, if there is an any highly sensitive matter, we used to have the redactive on that. Redaction is based upon the amount of percentage which it should not be exposed in the public platforms. Like the redactive percentage can be like the 25 percentage, 50 percentage, or 75 percentage. It is the completely project regarding upon the Casablanca, that is Netflix and MNCs, Netflix and Paramount, which have been competed for the Warner Brothers. This is my first project. Now, coming to this second project, it is being named as the, we our company named it as the Kinder Joy. It is based upon the billing location. There isn't some equipment. There is an delivery of that equipment. There is an billing location, billing address, and end user location, and the buyer, seller, and the end user location. Here we need to separate out the contracts, and we need to take down in the MS Excel sheets, and which are highly relevant to that context. And we need to mention the whether the contracts have been happened perfectly or not. And there are the tax invoices and many other stuff is also like that.